Good morning, kids and parents. These are the homeworks for this week. I hope you're having a great family time together. In the page 210, we got the special events for this period. You're gonna write in the squares the special dates for this month. Like in this example, May 10th, Mother's Day, and you're gonna fill it, okay? In the page 211, we got exploring the topic, look at the pictures, and answer the questions, okay? What is your favorite music genre? Like this example, rock music. Or what kind of public events do you like to go to? Church events or sport events? Then we got a living mind map. Make a mind map about the topic, face the music, collect the ideas that came up in the previous activity and any new ones. You can think or write words, draw pictures, paste paper, clippings, or use other materials to show your ideas. Use a large piece of paper and colors. You got an example here of a mind map, okay? You need to do it in your folder. Don't forget that. In the page 212, we got vocabulary builder. Listen carefully and repeat with correct pronunciation. Put the words as you hear them. Okay, you got here the track 24 and track 25 to guide you. In your folder, you're gonna write the words of the vocabulary and translate to Spanish. Okay. Next to that, we got the page 213. Listen carefully to each dialogue and repeat it with the appropriate pronunciation and intonation. You're only gonna do that, okay? Listen carefully and repeat it. Nothing else. That's all in your book, okay? And for Thursday, we got a worksheet. You can print it or copy in your folder. We're going to work it in the video conference, okay? You don't have to do it. You only need to print it or copy in your folder. We're gonna work it in the video conference on Thursday. That's all for this week, and remember, don't wait for the opportunity. Create it. Goodbye, guys.